Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top 5 most important Amazon kitchen gadgets that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The fruit and vegetable washing machine by AquaPure is a practical solution for ensuring the cleanliness of your produce. With its white and gray color scheme and plastic handle material, this washing machine blends functionality with a sleek design. Specially designed for washing vegetables, this product's dimensions of 512 L into 512 W into 2.64 H make it versatile and easy to use in any kitchen setting. The compact size allows for convenient storage when not in use. This washing machine effectively removes dirt, pesticides, and other impurities from your fruits and vegetables, promoting healthier eating habits for you and your family. Its user-friendly design makes it suitable for everyone from busy professionals by their food preparation routines. Investing in the fruit and vegetable washing machine by AquaPure will not only save you time, but also help you maintain a hygienic kitchen environment. Enhance your food safety practices.
The effortlessly food kitchen scale is a reliable and stylish kitchen accessory that is sure to elevate your culinary experience. Manufactured by the well-known brand effortlessly, this silver-colored scale is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional. With a weight limit of up to 11 pounds, this mini form factor scale is suitable for a wide range of cooking and baking needs, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Its compact design allows for easy storage, while the accurate measurements ensure precision in your recipes. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cook, this kitchen scale offers precise measurements for all your food preparation needs. From portion control to precise baking measurements, the effortlessly food kitchen scale is a must-have tool for any kitchen enthusiast. In conclusion, the effortlessly food kitchen scale combines style, functionality, and accuracy in one compact package. With its sleek silver design and reliable performance,
The Tovolo Vented Collapsible Medium Microwave Cover is a versatile and practical kitchen accessory that truly stands out. Made with a combination of high-quality silicone and plastic materials, this product is not only durable, but also ensures safety and convenience during food preparation and reheating. One of the key features of this microwave cover is its color, charcoal, which adds a modern and sleek look to any kitchen decor. The Tovolo brand is known for its commitment to quality and innovation, and this product is no exception. Measuring at 10.5 inches in width and height, this medium-sized cover provides ample coverage for most standard microwave dishes.
The Bodeon insulated food delivery bag for hot and cold meals is a game-changer for food delivery professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its impressive dimensions of 23 into 14 into 15 inches, this bag offers ample space to accommodate multiple dishes while keeping them at the perfect temperature. The lightweight design of just 13.4 ounces makes it easy to carry around, ensuring that your deliveries remain hot and fresh. Its unisex design caters to a wide range of users, making it a versatile choice for both personal and commercial use. The Bodeon insulated food delivery bag stands out as a top performer in the industry, holding the #1 spot in pizza delivery bags and ranking at number 101 in industrial and scientific bestsellers. With over 15 820 ratings and an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars, it has garnered widespread acclaim for its quality and reliability. Whether you're a food delivery driver looking to up your game or a home cook wanting to ensure your dishes reach their destination,
the Dishwasher Magnet Clean Dirty by Simkeys is a practical and sleek addition to any kitchen. Measuring at 1.9 by 6.9 inches, this silver plastic magnet is lightweight at 0.07 kilograms, making it easy to attach with its door mount design. The portrait orientation and pre-printed lettering make it simple to indicate whether the dishes inside the dishwasher are clean or dirty. This versatile product is suitable for various settings such as offices, properties, and restaurants. The compact dimensions of 1.9 inches in length and 6.9 inches in width ensure that the magnet does not take up unnecessary space on the dishwasher door while still being easily visible. Overall, the Dishwasher Magnet Clean Dirty serves its purpose effectively with its practical design, quality materials, and user-friendly features. It is a useful tool for maintaining an organized kitchen and is highly recommended for anyone looking to streamline their dishwashing routine.